Hello, I'm in a 2007 Acura MDX, and today I'm going to show you how to open the hood. So from here, from the driver's side, we'll look down, and right here you can see there's a lever here. Should have a little tension, but you pull that, typically your little pop. If there's nothing, it might already be open for the safety release. And if otherwise, you might need to go and see if some of these cables might not be tight. As you can see it there right in the middle, and the darker part's the cable. And then we'll go up to the front since it's released now. And most vehicles, your release lever's right towards the middle. Right here, it's there, so we're gonna push it and pull up. So a little bit heavy, I might have to use two hands. Alright, I got it. So this was the lever. So this one's kind of tight, it needs greased a little bit, so it's not so hard to pull this over. But this is the lever you pull, which releases this hook that's hooked onto this. So if you have an issue like this, hopefully WD-40 or some gunk in there could be cleaned out. Otherwise, this whole part can be replaced fairly affordably. And then otherwise, sometimes the hood or that part's a little out of alignment, so you might need to recenter it so it's aligned properly. But otherwise, I hope this was helpful, and hope you have a wonderful day.